The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is still a few months away from its official launch, yet it has already generated considerable excitement due to a variety of rumors about its features. One of the most intriguing leaks suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include a substantial RAM upgrade, with at least one version offering an impressive 16 gigabytes of RAM. This information comes from the reputable leaker Ice Universe, who confirmed via X, formerly Twitter, that the 16 gigabytes RAM version of the S25 Ultra is 100% confirmed. However, the leak does not clarify whether this RAM configuration will be available across all storage options or limited to higher-end models, such as those with 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte of storage. This potential upgrade is significant compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which currently comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM in all variants. Google recently made a similar enhancement by increasing the RAM in its Pixel 9 Pro models to 16 gigabytes. Some of that memory is utilized for artificial intelligence functions, and if Samsung follows suit, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might allocate a portion of its RAM for AI-related tasks. This could result in slightly less memory being available for general use, similar to the approach taken by Google with the Pixel series. While Ice Universe's leak primarily focuses on the S25 Ultra, it is likely that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will also receive RAM upgrades. The base Galaxy S24 currently starts with 8 gigabytes of RAM, so an upgrade to 12 gigabytes, similar to the standard configuration in the Pixel 9, would be a welcomed enhancement. The S25 Plus already features 12 gigabytes of RAM, and it remains uncertain if it will also be upgraded to 16 gigabytes to match the Ultra. Samsung may choose to reserve the higher RAM configuration for the Ultra model to maintain its premium appeal. Rumors suggest that both the S25 and S25 Plus will stick with 12 gigabytes of RAM next year. Performance benchmarks for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra have also surfaced, providing insight into its potential capabilities. The model number SMS938U indicates that this version is likely intended for the US market. The benchmark scores reveal a significant performance improvement over the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In single-core testing, the S25 Ultra achieved a score of 2,369 points, while the S24 Ultra managed 2,143 points. The difference in multi-core performance is even more pronounced, with the S25 Ultra reaching 9,896 points compared to the 6,696 points of the S24 Ultra. These results indicate that the S25 Ultra is set to deliver enhanced speed and processing power, making it a compelling option for demanding tasks. In a recent comparison with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which scored approximately 3,400 in single-core and 8,300 in multi-core benchmarks, the results highlight the performance strengths of both devices. While the iPhone typically excels in single-core tests, it falls short in multi-core performance when stacked against its Android rivals.